Hello, Kenny. My name is Devin, and you spoke with my partner Mary a little bit earlier. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time with speaking with her, and as well as watching this video. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out Seattle Tree Care. As we see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Seattle Tree Service. So they're ranked right here, as well as down here in this organic listen section as well. Oh, sorry, right here. Um, so really quickly, I know you're probably wondering why I'm making this video in the first place. So I found out if I make these attack plans about just how to get more leads and more business through the internet and then just give them away for free, some owners go out there and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you guys decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here is just educate you and just give you some, just really just give you some good information. So like I mentioned earlier, I wanted to go over three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So as you see, I have your guys' website pulled up right here. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here, because Google is crawling websites and they're trying to see who has the most authoritative content that's gonna not only keep customers on their page, on your page longer, but it's gonna keep them on Google longer. And that's gonna give Google more of a chance to sell these ads they have up here, right here, and then as well as on the bottom of these pages right here. Google's all about making money, so they're going to put whoever they think is going to give them the best opportunity to make money on these front pages right here. And you guys can be there super easily as well. So just getting this home page you guys have here, just getting this content up will definitely have you authorized in Google's eyes, and then definitely help you rank on this front page. So equally important to content on front pages is keywords. So keywords is what people are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for business. For example, Seattle Tree Service is a keyword you guys want to be ranking for. As we see, it gets 480 searches a month right here, just this keyword alone. So this is a very, very high volume keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. And adding this on your homepage will help Google understand that you guys do provide this service right here. So when people are searching this keyword, Google will rank you for this keyword right here. So this is definitely something you guys should be wanting to rank for, as well as there's a bunch of them out there as well. But adding in all those different keywords on Google will definitely help you rank for those words, and then help you rank on this first page, because as we know, most customers do their shopping on this front page of Google, let alone second, third, fourth page. About 70% of people are only coming to this front page right here in prime time. So next thing I want to go over is called backlinks. And a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut to send power back to your site, because Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use this site called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there. You don't have to use this one. But as we see, you guys have your website listed in 13 different websites, a total of 51 times. So that's a total of 51 times kennytreeinc.com is listed. And we see that you guys don't have any organic keywords as well. So as we hop over here to the competitors, Seattle Tree Care, we see they have their website listed 85 times for a total of 224 different times, 85 different websites. And you see the amount of keywords that they're using, which is bringing them pretty good traffic right here. As you see, the traffic value is about 6,000 per month for them. So this is very beatable and very easy to do. So as far as backlinks, we can see exactly what links that they, or what websites these guys have their website listed in. And if these was good enough to get them ranked, they'll definitely be good enough to get you ranked as well. So you want to come in here and you want to grab all these and then list your website and all these different sites that they have as well. So some of these are blog spots. So you just come in here, you create an account, leave a little blog comment, and then drop your website address in there. Some of these are directories, so you just create a little quick account and then drop your little website address in there as well. So you definitely want to come in here. You want to grab all of these. There's 2 pages of these, and then drop your link in all these, and Google will give you good power for it. So with those 2 tips, with the content keywords as well as backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listen section on this front page of Google. If you want to be ranked right here on this Google My Business section right here, this has everything to do with citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business, such as like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. And the only thing you need to do is just have more than these guys right here. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As you see, you guys have 22 different citations. Seattle Tree Care has 50. So they have their website listed in 50 different directories right here. Again, this is beatable because what we can do is we can come in here and see exactly what directories these guys are using. And you guys should literally come out here and grab every single one of these websites and list your business in all of these right here. So, and if they have 50 different citations, you guys should go out and get 100 to just really dominate the game. So that's all I have for you, Kenny. I try to be pretty brief and quick as possible. So quick recap of what we went over. You want to get 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this home page right here, as well as adding in those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for. So Google understands that they need to rank you guys up here. And then we talked about backlinks, going out and listing your business website in those different websites that these guys have, and then going out and getting more because you don't want to just tie them, you want to beat them. And then similar with citations, you guys want to take all 50 of these citations and then go out and get more and get better ones. So that's all I have for you today, Kenny. My name is Devin and my partner is Mary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you, and I appreciate you.